Keep all your game, highs and lows, highs and lows. It's all the same, highs and lows, highs and lows. Keep all your game, highs and lows, highs and lows. It's all the same, highs and lows, highs and lows.
What's up? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to another makeup tutorial. This is the month of love. Valentine's Day is just around the corner. 14th of Feb it is, right? So because of that reason, I have created this beautiful, bright makeup. So, you can wear this makeup if you're going for a brunch, lunch or a dinner date with your guy friends or girlfriends and just have a blast. So if you want to know as to how I have created this look, please keep on watching. Thank you so much for stopping by, and please do consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already, and hit on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So let's begin. So before starting with the makeup, I am going to moisturize my face, and today I've used the Pond's Super Light Gel Oil-Free Moisturizer. As the name suggests that it is super light, yes indeed it's very super light and absorbs very nicely into the skin. After moisturizing my face, I'm going to use the Nykaa Prep Me Up Face Primer. Now this is an amazing primer which has a velvety-like texture which instantly blurs the appearance of pores and fine lines. After primer comes the foundation, and today I have used the L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Foundation, and I have used the shade Golden Amber. Now this is an amazing dewy foundation and I like my makeup to be dewy and not very matte. Here I'm blending my foundation with the help of a buffing brush. If you have a brush, it's well and good, otherwise you can even use a beauty blender. Take time to blend your foundation and spread it out evenly. After my face, I have even blended the foundation into my neck area, and do not forget the neck area, otherwise there will be a mismatch of color. Now it's the time to hide our dark circles, if at all any. So today I have used my favorite LA Girl Pro Conceal High Definition Concealer, and I have used the shade Pure Beige. Here I'm going to blend my concealer with the help of my ring finger, because I feel that the warmth of the finger really does a great job rather than a brush or a beauty blender. Now it's the time to lock my foundation and concealer, and today I have used the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade 15 Light. As I like my makeup to be a bit dewy, I am concentrating and applying the powder only under my eyes and chin area. Now today, instead of contouring, I am going to bronze my face, and I have used the shade Oddbo 05, and it is a beautiful brownish shade as you can see, and I am going to draw the number 3 pattern. Now while doing a makeup, be it foundation or contouring or bronzing your face, it is very important to blend it properly so that there shouldn't be any harsh lines, otherwise your makeup is not going to look good and it's going to look a bit cakey. So take ample time to blend your makeup, be it, as I already mentioned, bronzer or contour or foundation. It should look absolutely flawless. Now it's the time to do my eyebrows, and today I've used the Clinique number 14 Skinny Dip All About Shadow Quad. Now this is basically a 2-in-1 kind of a product. You can use it as an eyeshadow as well as to do your eyebrows. Doing your eyebrows totally changes the makeup game plan, and look at the difference. Now it's the time to enhance the eyes. Yes, for that I'm using the eyeshadow from Lakme 925 Desert Rose. Now the color of your eyeshadow should always match the color of your attire, so be very careful while applying or choosing the eyeshadow. To highlight the inner corner of my eye, I have used the golden shimmer shade from the same eyeshadow palette. Now it's the time to use my eyeliner, and for that I am going to use a hyper glossy liquid liner from Maybelline. Now while applying an eyeliner, it is important to draw a thin line initially, and if you want a thicker line you can then go ahead and draw a thick line, but once you draw a thick line you cannot come back to a thinner line. So it's always better to draw a thin line, and then if you want you can go ahead with a little wider line. Now it's the time to use blush, and for that I have used these two shades from Anastasia Beverly Hills, Pink Passion. And eye makeup is always incomplete if we haven't used mascara. So today I am using the Voluminous Lash Paradise Waterproof Mascara from L'Oreal. As this makeup is all about love, Valentine's Day, so how can I ever not use the red lipstick? So I have used the Smashbox, the shade Boss, and look at the shade. It is just gorgeous. And last but not the least, it's the time to highlight our face. So basically not the face, but of course the high points of our face. So I have used the Oddbo 05, and it is absolutely bomb. Look at that. I just couldn't stop applying the highlighter. I mean, I'm literally going all over the place. It is just fab, guys. Okay, and then I realized that I think it's better to stop myself, and voila, I am done. So friends, with this I come to the end of another makeup tutorial, and I hope you all have enjoyed watching this video. If you all have enjoyed watching, then please do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Hit on the notification bell because you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. Do follow me on my Instagram, and I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay happy, stay safe and keep smiling. Love you guys. Bye-bye.